This is an older model Kindle with a broken screen, which we're going to replace. This is the D00901, otherwise known as the Kindle 3. And to get the thing apart, we have to remove first this back cover. Now, just to start, you may want to use an old utility knife blade. This is quite blunt to start the thing off, or the sort of thing that comes with mobile phone repair kits is quite useful as well. With the back cover removed, it's not strictly necessary to remove the battery, but it's pretty much always a good idea if you're working on anything. You never know when a screwdriver might slip and you'd accidentally short something out. So when there's no power on there, you're in less danger of damaging anything. And there are two little aluminium spacers, and they are loose as well, so put those to one side so you don't lose them. Now, to change the screen, we need to remove, there are 6 of these chrome silver screws, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 that hold that part in. As well as the silver screws, there are 11 of these little grey or black screws, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So let's get those removed. Just before we go ahead and remove the frame, I'm just going to test the new screen. So if we remove the old screen cable there and put this one in its place, and temporarily just put the battery in. So obviously this battery isn't charged, but it shows that the screen is working, which is the main thing. Having removed the screws, we can now remove the main motherboard. And this is held in by a couple of little clips, so just need to persuade that out, and we can put that to one side, and we can clearly see the damage to the screen that was in there. Now, this is stuck to the plastic frame with double-sided sticky tape, so we're going to have to persuade this to come off. Again, using a little pry tool or something, if we just get in under the sides. Also pay attention to the fact that obviously it's a glass screen and it's broken, so perhaps it might be an idea to wear some protective gloves or something. So there we can see the frame with the double-sided tape on it and the broken screen. And we just remove the protective cover. We can do that now that we've tested the screen. We know it's good. Now, to put the main system board back, the best idea is to get the socket end in first. So that just clips in place, and then there are a couple of little locating lugs, and it will all go back into place. We can flip over the new screen connection, click that in. So just before replacing the rest of the screws, let's just do another check. We can see it going through its reboot cycle. So we can see that it's working now. So we've rejuvenated it. It has another lease of life. I'll just put the screws back in and we can return it to the owner.